The var keyword in C# is available for us to use in version C# 3.0 and above to implicitly declare the variable and have compiler find out what is the data type of that declared variable. As you can see on my screen here, I have a variable called I, which is equal to 0. So the compiler is finding the data type of variable I. If I hover my mouse on I, it tells me that the data type of variable I is integer. Same thing for n is double. Same thing for date is date and time. Same thing for x is a string. The var keyword can only be used at the method level, not at the class level. What does that mean? It means that if I go back to my customer class here and try to declare a variable using a keyword var, it gives me an error. And it tells me that the contextual keyword var may only appear within a local variable declaration or in script code. So what is telling me that I can use the var keyword only inside the method. Just remember that the var keyword are strongly typed variables, so instead of us specifying the data type, the compiler is finding the data type at compile time. It's the same thing as saying integer I equals 0. Okay, I will not suggest to use the keyword var for those data types that are already known, but it's really useful for anonymous types. So if you can see on my screen here, I have a customer list. Right now I have only one customer added to that list, and if I query this list and try to return the email and a phone, in this case we don't know what kind of data type is returning back, so we can use the keyword var to store those values and then use the for each statement to loop through the list to find the email and the phone. So if I click on start here, it returns the email and the phone. So basically this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video.